welcome to today's video for Nena's Bubble. Today's video is going to be a DIY and TikTok make me do it. It's a quick paint organizer made with Dollar Tree paper holders. So let's get started. The outcome, it's excellent. I love it.
So you'll need the paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree. These ones are these long ones that for you to put the big rolls of napkins right in there. It was hard to find these other ones. I found this one's easier than the other ones. Then you'll need these ones, the rainbow kind. These are napkin holders, and this one says paper towel holders. And you will need hot glue and some, my gosh, they're noisy, and some zip ties. I do have this ones. I can't remember if we bought it at the dollar store. They do have smaller ones, but I have these on hand, so I'm going to be using those. And some scissors, so you can cut the tags off if you don't want to take them off with your hand, just like that. So for one paper holder, you need 4 of these. So let's get to doing the craft now. So you're gonna grab 2 paper holders like this. Grab your towel holder, put it on a side where you have this that is like backing each other, and we're going to do this. We're going to do that, and we're going to help ourselves with hot glue and zip ties. Two of them! Yay! Look at this! Don't they look nice? They look nice, as well as my Hello Kitty behind here. You can see, now we have this, and now we have our paint. These are great as well, let me tell you that. These are also from the dollar store from a little bit back ago. They're great for the paints as well, because look, they have almost the same size of the paint, so they keep them really secure. I love them while I saw this. And then these longer ones as well, to keep the space a little bit thinner. I had them against my wall and my table, so they worked well. But you can see but these ones are a little bit helper. They help a little bit more. Look at this. The paint is like the right size, or the rim here is like the right size of the paints, and it looks so nice. And then you can color coordinate this, and it's really cute. Look at it. I'm trying to put all of and look at that, all of my paints. I got rid of the ones I had in the green bucket, and here, but these ones here are very new, so I can keep them in this little box or make another one. But I think that's enough. I did got all the ones I had here, and the ones in the little basket end up looking like this. And you can see what I tell you, that you can see the colors, and it's easier to get the ones you already want. If you wanted these, if you wanted this one, you can get it, and the rest of them would fall. Of course, the aesthetics of the colors will get ruined, but you can do that if you want to rearrange them. If you want the very bottom, it falls down, and you can just replace it to where you want it to. Or if you really wanted this, like the green one, take it out, and if you wanted to put it in its place, you can push the rest of them and then tuck it in there. And there, these little sections in the, you can see all of your colors. I think this idea is wonderful. It's not expensive. This is, if you want to do two, of course it's $10, but because it's one and then 4 of these. But if you only wanted one, it works the purpose. If you only have a little bit of paints, it works really nice if you just make one for $5. And it's kind of like space saver. I'm gonna show you over there how it look where my painting area is, but it's a little space saver. You get the purpose of looking at the color that you need instead of reaching through it in a bucket. I think it looks wonderful. What do you think? I give it a 10 out of 10. Some of the paints do, when they get like, some of them are full and some of them are empty. When they're a little bit emptier, they do get bunked up and kind of fall, but that's because they're empty. So then you can replace it. Yeah, let me show you how it looks on my painted area. You can easily get this one like transported into place. It has this little, it ends this little hook right there. Look at this, and you can just move it around. None of them hopefully fall. So let me go put them over there. There. I think my space looks even better. I do have all my junk there, but I will clean up. I think it looks way better. My paints are right there. It's a little bit more appealing to my eye with everything up there. I think it looks nice. I really like it. I do have my paintbrushes in this little Dollar Tree basket as well. I think they look, for the purpose when I was doing it, they look nice. I do have other things in there because it gets piled up with other things, but I think they are better like this than if I put them in a thing. That's how I'm arranging them right now. And that is my paints. Will you look at that? I think Dumbo likes it. Yeah. Down below, I will also include the Instagram for my piggy banks if you're interested. I do ship them. And for my TikTok, where I do the piggy banks as well. And everything will be down in the description box if you're interested in buying one of those or one of my mugs. But yeah, I think it's a great idea. You should try it. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully this video is not so big if I shut up. Remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. I love it.